disassemble the buffer tank. This is the whole assembly. To take it out of the machine, you have this screw here, the screw on this position, and then on the machine you'll open the maintenance cover, the metallic plate here, so that you'll get the access to these two other screw locations. Once you have this off, you'll disconnect the ink link sensor cable and the motor, and then the whole assembly can come out. Now to take this apart, we're going to start with the motor itself. We're going to take out the two screws on both sides of the motor. The motor will come out. Now we'll start to remove the top part here for the membrane. There is one screw in the center position here. These are gray screws, gray metallic screws. There is another one in this position here. Bring this down for now. Taking this off will require us to take these two other screws here as well, so that the whole assembly comes up. Or you can leave it connected, but it might be a bit harder to connect later on. When I take off this part, I'm going to show exactly what it is. I can like disconnect here. This is the membrane, so when the pump is running, this one is usually fully open, and there is a spring inside, so when the pump is running, it's pushing the membrane, which then will activate this one, so they will go back and forth and vacuuming ink through the machine. So we'll keep this one out first. You always check this assembly. Sometimes this might be stuck or might be out of position. It has to stay like this, and it can be easily pressed and come back and forth. And you'll see on the other side, these pins come out, which is the one that go on the photo cell. So there's the photo cell here. It's a bit difficult to see, there is not much light. So there is a photo cell here, photo cell sensor, and when this is pressed in, this metallic, these plastic pieces come out and then go into the photo cell. So sometimes it could be that this is stuck and it's touching at the corner of the photo cell. So make sure the photo cell is in position and that the buffer piece can come out without any restrictions. So then we'll go ahead and we'll take out this screw down here and then this screw at the back here, so we can loosen the pumps. In a current service we're trying to resolve with removing pump 7, this is pump 7, this is pump 8, and we'll replace it with another one from another assembly, because we have another assembly that this pump is not working properly, so we're going to swap them together. So now this pump is disconnected, but this plastic piece here will go to both sides. So taking it out, we'll need to bring this out as well. The whole assembly is just hooked through some plastic pieces here on the metal bar, so I'll need to loosen the other one as well, because if it's fixed in position it will not let me take out either of them as they're intertwined together. So now they can move freely. So it will be very difficult to show from the camera, but the bottom of the pump is hooked underneath, similar to the cartridge valves. That small plastic piece at the bottom, and it's on both sides. So right now we need to disconnect. So you can press from here, you can put like a flat screwdriver or whatever works for you. And the same on the other side. Like, if it's visible yet, but will show when it's disassembled. These two palms, they will connect together, which makes it a bit difficult to take it outside. So that piece that comes out will connect on the other side of the palm. So basically one motor is moving the whole assembly together. So I move this one more to the left, which will create more space for this pump to come out. Now there is a metal piece here that will always fall down, so make sure you don't lose this, and we'll need to put it back when we assemble the pump again. It goes like this, and if by any chance you don't remember how it goes or you cannot see from the other one so that you can replicate it, you can go on the maintenance part list and you have the disassembled pump where you can actually look up this piece, which side it's connected, but this is how you should be connecting it. This was the piece that we were talking about earlier. So this extruded piece will go into this other channel on the other pump, so that both pumps can move with the exact same motor. Now once you get the other pump, we'll reassemble it kind of the same way that we took it out, but make sure that you first put this back in. And again, if you're not sure if you're putting it the right way, go through the manual and then check back. While we're in this position, I'm going to disassemble a bit more on this pump so I can show you exactly what's going on here to understand this piece better. So okay, same way we got it out, this piece will stay on the front. We'll keep this a bit to the left to make some room, and then we'll first connect the back part on this location. And now we'll connect them together, and then we'll hook them on the front piece. Now the assembly is connected. We'll put back the metal piece. One screw on the front. The screws on the other one, which we loosen in order to move it sideways. And then the screw on the back. can connect the metal piece first. The center piece will stay on the upside, so you can place it here. Then we can connect the rest of it. It will connect to the back piece. This one has two hooks on the top. You place it there and then you can push it down. Now we can connect this back. Don't forget, this one is using the metal screws, the silver metal screws. And the other one here. Now we'll put back the motor. So make sure the teeth of the motor with this gear, they intertwine. I always put the right screw first because the left screw is adjustable. So at the moment that you connect it, the moment you connect the left screw, you have to push the motor up so that the two gears, the motor gear and the pump gear, they intertwine together, and they don't have any loosened space. Like you can see, the motor can easily move. So you bring it upside on this side, and then you tie the screw in. And now we have a full assembly. We had some ink coming out because this is a used assembly and there's still ink left over here. So if I move the gear, it will actually pump ink outside.